Hi, I'm Poonam Tyagi, Honorary General Secretary of National Association for the Blind, Meerut, UP. One of our main projects is to provide free computer education to people with visual impairment. And for this, since last many years, we were running classes in Sparsh School, Meerut. But unfortunately, from this March, we had to close those classes. So we thought of starting online basic computer training, and now we are running courses for visually impaired people online. Fortunately, we have a very good instructor, Mr. Ravinder Gupta. He's a late blind person, and after losing his vision, he learned Java and NVDA, and he has mastered both the softwares. He's doing a very good job. He's very experienced and very passionate about his work, and he tries to solve each and every problem, anything related to computer. Mainly because the way we are running the classes, it's we are ensuring that any person who joins the classes learns computer properly. It is not unlike that you just see something and then you don't know. Here classes are interactive, so any personal computer related problem also is taken care of. Here you are learning computer in a batch, and I have seen that any problem related to computer, if you don't know, then maybe that one of your batchmate knows about it. So everybody is very helpful. So you learn a lot practically being in these classes. Another main thing in this favor is that even if you learn computer on your own, if you go and apply for a job, they will ask you for a certificate, and that certificate is very important for you. So here we are ensuring that you learn up to a certain level, and when we are satisfied that you have learned, you can operate Microsoft Office, Internet and all those things, that after that you will be given a certificate which will be really helpful to you. After completing this course, you will be given a certificate from NAB Meerut, and you will learn both the control keys of both the JAWS as well as NVDA. Normally we take 10 to 15 students in one batch, so this number is good enough to kind of interact. Everybody's questions can be answered, so there is a good interactive session also, and we don't make it very large group because then personal attention is not given. You have to send me a mail on nab.meerut@gmail.com. I repeat it, nab.meerut@gmail.com, and the subject line should be YVT Computer Classes. I repeat, the subject line will be YVT Computer Classes. You have to send me your basic CV, and your disability certificate is must. You have to upload that to me, and after going through this, I will register you in the classes. No, this training we are providing free of cost, and after that you will be given a certificate also. There is no upper age limit to learn computer, but basically we will recommend that if you have cleared your 12th, it will be advisable that you can join the classes after that. Generally we are keeping 3 months in mind, and the classes are of 1 hour each, and thrice a week we take classes. So, but after that, if we feel that any student has not learnt it properly, then we will automatically register him or ask him to continue in the next batch. We are starting the next batch soon, and anybody who is interested, we will request you to convey it to other people also, and anybody who is interested can ask for registration.